pure gold. Lol.
Dinitch tayo kami ng pure gold. Guys, ready. Guys, gising na. Fights ready. Fight starting boys. Fight starting. Second foot boys. Second foot. Come. Just play it. Play it. Ano DA nila ito?
14 at
14 right now, 14.
No info kay Kajax.
Oh, no info.
Wala.
Nakita ko sila sa Hollow, pa northwest side. Yung bomb niya. Pero parang 3-4 people lang yun.
Oo.
G na yan, hinit ko na eh.
Okay, banat.
Okay guys, spread. Wawipe ko to. Guys, wala na si Kajax guys, baka mamatayan pa tayo. Their level 8. Hindi, dito na si Kajax. Kajax here. Guys. Everyone, ready?
Ang vision ng Kajak.
Ready.
Engage.
They probably just zone. Pa-pull nga si Dandy. Arzel, pull mo si Arzel.
Kajak's on the east side of the castle, right?
Okay.
Alpha?
It's fine.
Ay, drone kita boys, sabihan mo ako.
Roll the play. It's fine.
Gagad
Kajax here? Is Kajax here?
Yes.
Okay, just keep watching him.
Nasa hard disk.
Keep watching him, boys. Na-open nyo na ba yung castle? Tanong mo lang.
Hindi pa ata binubuksan pre.
Wala kaming
Sinidot na kanina ni Shanks.
Nagkatayo mag-kidnap Bagay niyang guard dun si Kip.
Okay. Pagka walang guard drone, kidnapin mo si Dandy. Wala nang defensive siya.
Guys, na-check ko yung kill boards. Lamang yung Maharlika by 10. Hindi tayo bawi.
It's fine, boys. It's fine. Don't worry about it.
Okay, pas getting kidnapped ha. Hello guys.
It's fine. I have all my defenses. Pag namatay ako, skip issue. Guys, looking front.
Ready ako.
Stacking up yung bomb.
Fake now. Can you fake? Stacking bomb. Defensive front.
Look, inching up sa inyo.
Guys, on top of me. Ready defense position engage. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow me. Just shallow. Nice hit. Go back. Spread. Go back and spread. Spread, boys. Spread. Basta hindi tayo mauuna mag-engage, panalo tayo.
Piling please.
May napatay ka? Ano?
Ako? Wala. Siyempre. Wala akong acid eh. Hello?
Ba't namatay yung Razik din?
Kayo pumatay talaga nun.
Can you kidnap?
Yeah.
Nice.
Gago pre, wala na akong acid. Wala na akong papatayin yan.
May second target kayo?
Just one more. Guys, shallow. Hold. One more engage. Shallow now. Everyone ready. Guys, let them. Southwest tayo. Southwest side. Pull them. Fake now. Guys, fake now. On the gate. Everything on the gate. Just on the gate. After this, on the gate time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on the gate. On the gate. Oh, damage on the gate. That's fine. Go back.
They're pushing in.
Pushing na yung bomb squad Nag-isokay ka kita.
Spread. Wala pa engage. Guys, spread. Get kills. Nice. Hold them. May engage pa isa. Ready. Hold. On the D-tanks on top of us, bro. Fake now. Everyone fake. West now. Sa D-tanks, guys, on top of us. Everything. Hold yung D-tanks sa taas natin. 3, 2, 1. Everything on the D-tanks. Nice hits.
Wait lang, Alpha.
Tangina si Chardy.
Ano naman ako, Alpha?
Yung sub-caller natin pre, alam yung ginagawa, naglulut. Tingnan mo, pagkapatay ng kalaban, nakatayo sa corpse. Ready, spread.
Ang Resurrect Passage to, no?
Looking.
Yes.
Okay, may guard rin ako, Alpha. Ready ako.
Ready, spread.
Ipip mo ko sanity, huwag na mimik.
Sige.
Careful lang.
Makakahabol ako pero di ko nadala yung acid pass yun.
Anak ng puta. Hello?
Nakamark ba yung bomb squad?
Nag-roads ako nakapag-roads ako
Yes. Heart.
Okay.
Holding lang sa gate.
Guys, can you guys run back after the engage Shallow guys, cage sa'yo, kay Emilia Rose. Shallow now, on Emilia Rose guys. In 3, 2, 1, everything on Emilia Rose. Di ba? Come back.
Nakita na.
Yeah, come back. Looking. Spread, guys. Spread. They're walking in. Silence on the gate. Guys, heal yung hood. Spread. They still have engage. They still have engage. Guys, may engage pa. Ready. Guys, may cooldown sa kayo. Southwest, guys. Again, on the
Just
distance.
thinking,
Yeah. Pull the ditang. Southwest now. Southwest now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest. Ang gago, sininihingit ko dun. Bobo ko. Kama. Hindi na
Demon's ready.
It's fine. Nakapag din. Frustrated siguro ito ang labanan. Kill nyo kasi Yagami. Kill Yagami. Hold Yagami. Gago, nag-reset yung kid.
Yun lang.
Go Southwest. What the fuck? Di kasi natin, lugi kasi tayo yung open world to eh. Let them break. Come northwest.
Kip, mas malaki tayo. Ayaw mo? Open?
No. Pre, dalawang engage nila.
Kaya. Wala tayong BS pala.
Saan kayo banda sa passage? Anong area? Anong...
Castle.
What do you call this? Sa loob?
Oh,
Yes.
Okay.
Defending.
No, sarap ba rin combine yan, all pa oh.
Nakahabol ako.
Nice.
Kung ano, J-Abrim tayo sa atin minsan. Dami ko J-Abrim, parang mga 15.
Tipo, hindi ko namin narinig kung nagkukul ka.
Ay, gago, hindi pala ako nagsasalita. Defensive Guys, hold them. May engage pa. Wait for the second engage.
Try natin.
Wait for the second engage. Guys, ready.
Clerical lang ah.
Ready. Guys, fake now. Hold.
Ito.
That's fine.
Masarap yung gagi.
Guys, 5 seconds. Ready now. Everyone ready.
Takbo.
Spread.
Balik.
Everything on the gate, guys. Everything on the gate, boys. Everything on the gate now. In 5,
Reset.
4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on the gate. Gate. Guys, patay si Mugi. Come push out, boys. Push out.
Mantap.
Spread. Push out. Look at Kajax only. Kajax looking.
Go southeast.
Ako open mic kayo ha.
Brawl them in. Guys, look at Kajax, Kajax northwest. Be careful. Guys, ready. Hold them now. Fake. Ready, northwest. Everything northwest. Northwest now. On a joke. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything wait.
Nag-get siya sa si Kajak ha?
Yeah. Wait na. Spread. Walking spread.
Demon.
Uy, tangin na.
Walking spread.
Nice one.
Kajax kasi engage yan. Tayuan nyo lang Ditax, tayuan nyo si Kajax. Bawat galaw ni Kajax. Yan lang may threat.
Running
Si Kajax lang may
running
threat.
southwest.
Si Kajax lang may threat, guys. Tayuan nyo si Kajax. Spread. Ready defensive guys.
Ready.
Keep ready. Guys, ready. Hold them now. Guys, ready northwest on Kajax. Everything on Kajax. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything Kajax. Stop. Keep pushing. Watch Kajax. Defensive Kajax. Keep pushing. Brawl him. Kill him. Come northeast.
Wag complacent guys, wag complacent.
They're running.
Lahat of them are
They're running.
Bloody one pa.